If managing multiple debts feels overwhelming, you're not alone. Between credit card balances, personal loans, and other payments, staying on top of due dates and interest rates can quickly become stressful. Debt consolidation is one strategy that may help simplify your finances. By combining multiple debts into a single payment, you could reduce your monthly burden, save on interest, and take steps toward regaining financial control. To begin, it's important to understand what debt consolidation means. It's the process of using one loan to pay off several other debts. Instead of keeping track of multiple payments each month, you streamline everything into one loan with a fixed repayment schedule. For example, if you're juggling 3 credit cards with interest rates of 18%, 20%, and 22%, consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate could simplify your finances and help you save money over time. The first step in debt consolidation is understanding your current debts. Take a moment to list out your balances, the interest rates you're paying, and the minimum payments for each account. Once you have a clear picture of where you stand, you can start comparing options for consolidating those debts. If the new loan has a lower interest rate than what you're currently paying, there may be an opportunity to reduce the amount of interest you'll pay overall. There are a few common ways to consolidate debt. One option is a personal loan, which allows you to combine multiple debts into a single fixed monthly payment. Personal loans typically have lower interest rates than credit cards, making them a practical solution for those who qualify. Another option is a balance transfer credit card. Some credit cards offer a 0% introductory APR for a set period, allowing you to transfer your existing balances and pay them off without accruing interest during that time. For homeowners, a home equity loan or line of credit may be another option, though it's important to consider the risks since your home is used as collateral. For those who may not qualify for a lower interest loan or are experiencing financial hardship, debt resolution could be a solution worth exploring. Debt resolution works by negotiating directly with creditors to reduce the total amount you owe. Instead of simply consolidating the debt, this process focuses on lowering your overall balance. While debt resolution may impact your credit score temporarily, it can be an effective way to achieve significant savings and a clear path to becoming debt-free faster. Once you've chosen a debt consolidation or resolution strategy, the next step is to apply or enroll. For consolidation loans, lenders will typically require information about your income, credit score, and outstanding debts to determine eligibility. If approved, the funds from the new loan can be used to pay off your existing balances, leaving you with just one manageable payment each month. If you pursue debt resolution, professionals will work on your behalf to negotiate with creditors and reduce your balances over time. Simplifying your debt is a powerful step, but staying committed is key. Whether you're consolidating or negotiating, it's important to create a budget that works for you, avoid taking on new debt, and prioritize making consistent payments. With discipline and focus, strategies like debt consolidation and debt resolution can provide a clear path to paying off your balances and building better financial habits. Managing debt takes planning, but understanding your options is the first step to taking control. If debt consolidation or debt resolution sounds like a strategy worth exploring, take the time to assess your situation and find a solution that helps you move forward.